Carrier fraud is at an all-time high, and proving you're a legitimate, compliant carrier has never taken more time. Chasing down the same insurance certs, authority letters, and CDLs for every broker who asks. CargoVault ends that. It's your secure, self-serve portal where all your paperwork lives in one place. Publish once, control access, and let shippers download what they need. Open the sidebar and click CargoVault. Available exclusively to carrier admins, this main overview shows your total documents, pending requests, and active grants at a glance. Everything here is also available in the mobile app, so you can manage your vault on the go. Under My Documents, driver CDLs and fleet documents automatically pull from your existing records. You only need to manually upload carrier-level documents. Click Upload Document, select the file type, like carrier insurance, set an optional expiration date and description, and upload. Repeat this step for other documents like your operating authority, W-9, and others. To give a broker access, click Invite a Shipper. This generates a secure link you can share or email to them directly. When they open it, they'll sign in or create a free cargo account if they don't have one, then request the specific document categories they need. Switch to the Requests tab to review incoming asks. When you click Approve, you're in full control. By default, driver and fleet docs are scoped to shared orders only, so brokers only see units hauling their specific loads. Widen that to all only if you want to. Next, set an expiration date. Leave the View Only box unchecked to allow downloads, or check it if you don't want them downloading. Once everything is set, click Approve to share. To check your active grants, click the Active Grants tab to monitor who currently has access. Here, you can edit what's shared, categories, scope, expiration for any grant. Need to cut someone off? Just click Revoke. Their access is cut off immediately. In a hurry? You can also just ask the Cargo AI assistant to approve a request, revoke a grant, or send an invite for you. No more repetitive emails or digging through files. CargoVault keeps your compliance centralized, secure, and fully under your control.